This is a quick start for sgcAI. In a few minutes you will call a large language model straight from Delphi with one component. sgcAI gives you a single chat component with 7 providers behind it: OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, DeepSeek, Ollama, Grok and Mistral. You switch provider by changing one property, and the rest of your code stays exactly the same. Start with a chat. Create the component, choose a provider, set your API key and a model, then call chat with a question. The answer comes back as a plain string. For a chat interface you want the answer as it is being written. Handle the onChat stream event and call chat stream instead. Every chunk arrives as the model produces it, and you can cancel at any point. Switching provider is one line. Change the provider property, set the matching key and model, and the same code now talks to a different vendor. That makes it easy to compare providers, or to fall back when one of them is down. The component keeps the conversation for you. Set a system message that goes with every request, cap the conversation with max history messages, and call clear history when you want to start again. sgcAI also speaks Model Context Protocol. The client discovers prompts, resources and tools on any MCP server, either over HTTP or by launching a local server and talking to it over standard input and output. The server component does the opposite, and exposes your own application as tools that any AI agent can call. Beyond chat there are embeddings and vector databases for retrieval, assistance, vision, batch requests, and speech, with both text-to-speech and speech-to-text. That is sgcAI. The full reference is in the help file, and the demos are the fastest way to start. Find everything at eSeGeCe.com.